So hey guys, we're here at my local auto show today. As you guys know, if you follow the channel, I was in Chicago just a few weeks ago during the media days, and they definitely have a lot larger of a space to kind of spread the vehicles out and also have some more kind of up and coming vehicles that are new for the 2024 model year. However, there's definitely some cool stuff here, including this Honda behind me that I'm going to show you here in this video. So the vehicle behind me is a 2023 Honda Pilot Trailsport finished in this nice blue sky color. It looks very nice. I believe the Trailsport is more of the off-road and rugged trim of the Honda lineup that they do have in other models as well, not only the Pilot as seen behind me. But let's not waste any more time. Take a quick look at the 2023 Honda Pilot Trailsport. So this one's called Diffuse Sky Blue, and this one has the black interior. It's a very nice blue, definitely stands out compared to some of the other models, as you can see around it, that are just the gray, black, kind of off grays over there. But this one definitely stands out and looks very nice and very aggressive here in this Trailsport trim. So starting up front, you will find full LED lighting. So you have the LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and turn signals. You can see the orange Trailsport badge finish in the gloss black grille. Stands out very nice. As far as the front bumper goes, you'll find front parking sensors. This vehicle, of course, does have adaptive cruise control. And you do have LED fog lights down here as well with some silver accent trim. There's your front camera with a washer for the 360 camera system. That is very cool to see. Coming to the side of the vehicle, you can see more of kind of the rugged accents when the black plastic is. Gives it a more aggressive stance versus that of the normal Pilot, I do assume. And coming to the wheels and tires, this is where it continues on. So these are the gray metallic wheels with the Trailsport embossed in them. Looks very aggressive. You can see coming to the wheels and tires, they are much more all-terrain-esque versus that of the normal road-going Pilot. So these are 265/60 18-inch Continental Terrain Contact all-terrain tires. And you can see they aren't as aggressive as some of the like a mud terrain, but considering this is a Honda Pilot, those are very beefy and should handle most off-road conditions quite well. You have gloss black mirror caps with LED turn signal integration. They are going to be heated, do have blind spot detection as well. Gloss black door handles. That kind of matches the dark tinted windows, the gloss black roof rails up top. This one does have the Launch Edition, which we'll go ahead and take a look at the window sticker here in a second. And down below you have more of the silver accented rugged-esque trim. Coming out back, I apologize, the tailgate is kind of popped because they have to tape all of the latches so they aren't latched for people to kind of see when the power is removed from the vehicle. Some of the silver accent trim continues. This one does have rear parking sensors. It does have the trailer towing package. You'll find more LED lighting, although this is not full LED lighting. It looks like you have bulbs for the turn signals and reverse lights. I do like this gloss black trim that runs along the tailgate. Rear backup camera. And then your Pilot is finished in the matte gray finish for the badges. Looks very nice. You can see this one does also have the roof rack up top, which is part of the Launch Edition, which we'll go ahead and take a look at the window sticker here in a second. But overall, it is quite aggressive looking as far as the wheels and tires go. I'm kind of surprised they put as aggressive of a tire on it as they did, considering, once again, this is just kind of a normal Pilot SUV with some upgrades to it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the window sticker, see exactly what the launch package includes. So it looks like the launch package includes the hood decals, the fender flares, the lower door trim, the crossbars up top, the cargo tray, as well as the seat back protectors, which is a $1,700 package, and then the Diffuse Sky exterior color is a $455 option, which brings the total MSRP, including destination, to $51,845 for the vehicle as seen here. And I do like how they put this on the window so you guys can see exactly how the trim is in the trim lineup as far as the Pilot goes, and then which extra colors are an additional charge as far as the premium paint goes. So that is definitely nice for the consumer in terms of seeing where the Trailsport lines up in addition to other trim levels, and then which paints are extra cost when you're purchasing this vehicle. And one other cool thing, it is nice to see that this is built in Lincoln, Alabama. So I'm assuming that is very close to the Montgomery, Alabama, where the Hyundai vehicles are also built here in the US, or at least some Hyundai vehicles anyway. But take a look on the interior. Once again, this is the black interior with the orange accent stitching to match the Trailsport badges on the exterior. Take a look at the door panel. You'll find soft touch materials throughout. So you have a soft touch upper, soft touch leatherette armrest with the orange accent stitching and some gloss black trim up top. Looks like there's a ton of storage in this door panel as far as the lower pocket goes. Bottle storage here for a cup holder and some additional smaller storage. Power windows, mirrors, and locks with two-person memory driver's seat. There's the orange accented all-weather floor mats as part of the Launch Edition. There's your power driver's seat with two-way power lumbar. Once again, the black leather interior. And I really do like the Trailsport embossed in the headrest here. I think that's a nice accent. So stepping inside, you'll see immediately the technology is packed in this Pilot. A fully digital instrument cluster, kind of a smaller infotainment system, I do have to say, at least compared to some of the other makes and models currently on the market, offering 12, 13, 14-inch diagonal screens. It's a little bit on the small side, I will have to say. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with the orange accent stitching. Volume and infotainment buttons on the left side. Some of your cruise control, it does have adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist on the right side. Heated steering wheel is down in the third spoke with paddle shifters on the back for the transmission. Automatic headlights and fog lights. Looks like your regular wipers, they are not automatic here on the right. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your power tailgate, traction control off. This might be a heated windshield washer fluid button, I'm not quite sure. And some nice gloss black trim around the vents. Nice soft touch dashboard as well. Coming to the infotainment system, looks like you do have some hard touch buttons as far as the volume, power, and there's a couple other buttons that are not illuminated because this vehicle is off. And of course, there's your push button start. This does have tri-zone automatic climate control with 2 zones up front and a single zone in the rear. Heated seats. Can control the rear ventilation as well. USB-A, USB-C inputs, 12-volt outlet. I do like how this is laid out. It's very simplistic, easy to access. It's not buried kind of in the cubby here. And this appears to be your wireless charging pad that you can turn on and off with a power button right there and some additional storage space. Push button gear selection with gloss black trim. That's a little bit interesting to see. I didn't know Honda was doing push button gear selection, but it looks like they are in their newer vehicles, or at least some of them anyway. Very similar to what GM has done in theirs. Drive mode select, automatic engine stop start on off, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, and there's your automatic brake hold for the automatic hold feature. 2 large cup holders, nice padded center armrest with the orange accent stitching. Black headliner in the Trailsport at least. Illuminated vanity lights. Auto dimming interior rearview mirror with garage home link on the bottom. LED overhead lighting. Here's your sunroof controls. Does have a mirror for the rear seat passengers to keep an eye on the kiddos. And there is your panoramic sunroof. It does open, obviously, and opens quite large, I have to say. Good, so a good sized sunroof for sure. Take a look at the rear seat. Lots of amenities in the back as well. So you have a soft touch armrest. Here is your manual sunshades. Soft touch armrest with the orange accent stitching, gloss black trim, speaker, as well as your mid down below. And same layout as the front door as far as the bottle storage and extra storage goes. I do like that about this vehicle so far. Looks like this one is a 7-passenger configuration, so the bucket seats in the second row. There's your power release to get in the third row, as well as a manual recline adjustment. Here's your armrests. They're not ratcheting or anything like the Palisades. Stepping inside, step in height is very easy. Here's a look at the front dashboard. In the back, it looks like AC vents, your single zone automatic climate control out back, 2 USB-A charge ports, an AC 115 volt, 150 watt wall outlet, mat pockets on both of the front seats, LED lighting on the sides, and the panoramic sunroof does end just before the seats, the second row seats. So you can see that there with the headrests. Looks like you have some additional storage space here in the middle. That's just in this like plastic platform. That is an interesting design. I have not seen that before. So there's no console that kind of separates the 2 seats. And take a look at the third row seats. You can see there is a fair amount of legroom. Obviously, this is not the most largest vehicle in the market, but it does offer 7-passenger seating if you need it. Lots of amenities in the back, which is nice to see. AC vents, USB charging. It looks like a little hook here with 2 cup holders, and that is on either side, which is quite impressive, I have to say. That's not something you see from other manufacturers all the time. So nice amenities in the third row with more LED lighting. So yeah, very impressive with the Honda. I would say it's a very comfortable vehicle just sitting in it for a few minutes. This does have a power tailgate, but it is turned off at the moment. So behind the third row, you'll find a small amount of storage. This isn't the largest SUV once again. 12-volt outlet here on the left, some storage space. Nice hard touch floor cover that does lift up for additional storage space. Oh wow, that is a lot of underfloor storage here. That's quite impressive actually. So you can see that's just kind of a more rectangular shape. I would say that's 6 to 8 inches deep and provides a ton of underfloor storage. So very impressive there as far as that goes. And of course the seats do fold down, pulling these straps. Folds down just as easy as that for very large cargo carrying capacity if you need it instead of the additional seating. Now finishing up here on the passenger front seat. Looks like you'll find a power passenger seat, no lumbar, but nice to see some power adjustments nonetheless. Gloss black trim continues across the dashboard. Of course, soft touch accents with the orange stitching. Glove box is damped. Does not appear to have a light inside and is a little bit on the smaller side, but usable nonetheless. So that is a look at the 2023 Honda Pilot Trailsport. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood, see what powers this vehicle, and then we'll go ahead and wrap up this video. So under the hood, you'll find a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 engine paired to a 10-speed torque converted automatic. This puts out 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque through either the front wheels only or all four wheels if you option all-wheel drive. Now this vehicle can tow up to 5,000 pounds, similar to that of the competitors, which is nice to see if you do need that additional towing capacity for a boat or small trailer or something like that, is that this vehicle can handle it with relative ease. So that's going to wrap up this quick tour of the 2023 Honda Pilot Trailsport. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I believe this vehicle competes in the same segment as the Hyundai Palisade, Kia Telluride, and other kind of three-row crossovers such as that. So let me know what you guys think in terms of the competition. Does this vehicle kind of keep up or kind of surpass the competition? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. I think it does have a very nice interior. The layout is nice. It definitely lends itself to the outdoorsy, sporty, kind of rugged segment of SUV, which kind of the Palisade XRT does as well. But I would say this goes a little bit further than the Palisade XRT. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed, and check out some other videos I have here, not only from the local QC Auto Show, but the Chicago Auto Show and other videos I made just in general. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys enjoyed as always, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.